one common hadith quoted very often to malign the Muslims. One of the hadith used by the media is a hadith, authentic saying of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam of Sahih Bukhari, volume number 4, hadith number 46, which says, a mujahid is a person who strives, and Allah alone knows who strives in his way. It is like a person who's continuously fasting and praying. And if a mujahid is killed in the battlefield, he will go to heaven. And if he returns back safely, he will get the booty of war. Now this hadith is usually used by the media to attack Islam. What kind of religion is this? You go for war and then you're killed, you go to heaven. What type of religion? If you read Bhagavad Gita, I'm continuing, Bhagavad Gita chapter number 2, verse number 37, it says, Shri Krishna, Almighty God of the Hindus, is telling to Arjun that you are a Kshatriya. If you are killed in the battlefield, you will go to Swarg. Swarg is heaven. And if you come back safely, you will get the booty of war. Exactly same what our Prophet said. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Sahih Bukhari, volume 4, hadith 46, is also mentioned in Bhagavad Gita, chapter number 2, verse number 37. Now most of the Hindus don't know this. That means if you are fighting for the truth against the evil, if you want to remove evil and want peace, and while fighting for peace, if you are killed, you will go to heaven. Very good religion.